Whenever we talk of artificial intelligence, we talk of artificial neural networks. But you guys might be wondering, where did this term come from? Let us today discuss the beginnings of AI. Artificial intelligence as a concept was started in 1943 when two scientists, Warren McCall and Walter Pitts, decided to mimic the biological neuron present in a human brain. This idea was further implemented in 1957 by Frank Rosenblatt on an IBM 704 computer, and he was funded by the United States Department of Defense. The main idea behind this perceptron was for image perception. Let us now discuss how is it built. You see, this is a biological neuron. This part accepts the input. The processing is done in the nucleus, and then the output is carried to the end through the axon. Similar kind of concept was followed here, where the inputs were fed using some weights into an activation, a linear function basically, which was then fed into an activation function, and then an output was generated. How so? Well, let's see that. So in the second diagram, you can see that there are some inputs and then there are weights. Essentially, in a biological neuron network, the things which have more weight or more importance to them are given higher chances of being seen by the nucleus. This is imitated by weights in a neural network. So what happens is x1 is multiplied by its relative weight, and then x2 by its corresponding weight, and then all of this is summed up and fed as an input to the activation function, which then returns an input. One thing to note is a perceptron is always a binary classifier. So it means that the output can always be 0 or 1. Thank you.